So CM once again emphasized the legislative assembly autonomy for the states and the federalism at the center. Furthermore, he has argued that amendments of the constitution to ensure federal authority.
This is the dream of Arinyar Anna. He very clearly, categorically, he made his speeches on the floor of the Rajya Sabha that the future of India, the unity of India will be protected only federalism, the concept of federalism is accepted and the powers should be distributed to the states. States should get autonomous powers. This is the dream and his voice of Anna. DMK is following his footsteps. That's what our Chief Minister has stated. The central government should follow federalism and states should get more powers. This is the principle and goal of DMK and allied parties like MDMK.
Sir, what is your general opinion on the coalition government in Tamil Nadu, sir?
Coalition government will not be formed and that experiment will not be exercised by the results in the ensuing elections. That will not happen. There won't be any coalition government. DMK will form on its own its government, Dravida model government. He will be successful.